Hey first grade friends, and welcome back to another day of opinion writing, where we are sharing our opinions about whether we think spiders make good pets. We started off by doing a little bit of brainstorming, and we went back to our text to help us support our opinions. I said that in my opinion, spiders make bad pets, and yesterday I actually wrote that opening sentence. Today, my job is to write my sentence which states my reason, as well as an example, or why that reason is good or bad. So I said my reason that spiders are bad pets is that they lay hundreds of eggs at a time. And by the way, these eggs then hatch into spiderlings or baby spiders that are clear. You can't see them. Friends are going to be walking around your house and you're not even going to know it. My example, or why I think that's a bad thing, is that now you have not one spider as a pet, but you've unintentionally acquired hundreds of spiders that are walking around your house that you can't even see. And tomorrow I'll conclude by saying, now you know why I think spiders are bad pets. So we're going to jump into writing our reason sentence as well as our example. And the example sentence is going to be a little bit different. We're going to tweak it a little bit today. So let's first jump into our reason. First, I want to be able to say, one reason is, or you could say, I think that because. And I'm just going to use my sentence starter here to help me write that. One reason is spiders lay hundreds of eggs at a time, period. And I'm going to go back and write. One reason is, I'm just going to copy it, uppercase O because it's the beginning of my sentence. One reason, R-E-A-S-O-N. One reason is spiders, notice I already wrote the word spiders yesterday, so I can just snag it. Lay, hundreds, hundreds, D-R, dread, hundreds. One reason is spiders lay hundreds of, O-F, of. Careful, don't write F-O. We've got a lot of friends writing F-O for of. That's faux. What's faux? I don't know. O-F, of. One reason is spiders lay hundreds of eggs, yuck, at a time. Guys, just thinking about this is giving me the heebie-jeebies. Like, I still just get these goosebumps along my arms thinking about these hundreds of eggs hatching. Now, for my example, instead of saying for example, I'm going to say this is good or this is bad because. And I'm saying this is a bad thing. And I want to give a reason why this is a bad thing. So let me start my sentence. This is bad because you will have way more spiders than you wanted. Exclamation point. People didn't know this. You only meant to have one spider. Oh, guess what? The mom is pregnant. They have babies. Guess what? Now you have hundreds of spiders. Good luck with that. Let's go back and fill it in. This, you could also stretch that out. What kind of T am I going to use for that, friends? Uppercase or lowercase? If you said uppercase, kiss your brain, because this is the beginning of my sentence. This is, yuck, it's just creeping me out. Bad because. This is a very important word to remember, friends. I always just kind of sing it when I read it. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Because, let's do it. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Because, one more time. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Because. So this is bad because you will have way more spiders than you wanted. This is bad because you will have way more spiders than digraph TH than you wanted. Now imagine cats did that. Imagine my cats are boys, but imagine my cats were girls, and I bring my 3 cats home. They're all girls, and they're all pregnant with babies, and I didn't know it, and they each have hundreds at a time. Listen, my house is going to be covered, all the counters, all the couches, all of the bed space covered in cats. We can't have that. I don't want hundreds of spiderlings crawling around my house without me knowing about it. It just creeps me out a little bit. That's my reason. Listen, if you don't agree with me, that's fine. You can have your opinion. As long as you go back and give me a reason and an example to support it, then you're fine. So friends, you just wrote a reason and example that supports your opinion. So now we're going to reread our paragraph so far. In my opinion, spiders make bad pets. One reason is spiders lay hundreds of eggs at a time. It's like I can't read that without getting goosebumps. Every time I think about these hundreds of eggs, my skin just starts crawling. Ugh. This is bad because you will have way more spiders than you wanted. Now that we have given our opinion, we supported it with a reason and an example or an explanation of why our reason is a bad thing. Tomorrow you're going to be ready to close up or wrap up with a closing sentence where we restate our opinion. So friends, go ahead and start writing your reasons and then support them with an example, and then we'll write our closing sentences tomorrow.